Whānau, Uncle AZEE back with another one. Bit of fried chicken salad. I'm going to use some chicken stir fry. You could use chicken breast, just cut it up. I've got me some spinach leaves, some snow pea shoots, sweet Thai chili, tomatoes, butter, onion, garlic. That's paprika, celery, black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. That's the same seasoning for my Ngati fried chicken anyway. I got about double the amount in flour. Got a bowl to mix that together. I got some egg wash, cut up eggs, olive oil to cook it in. I'm just gonna add my chicken bits to this egg wash. I want to coat them in there. East. Church. So I've coated my chicken pieces in that egg wash. That was just a raw egg whisked up. And I've coated all my chicken in it. That's gonna get all my seasoning and flour to stick to it. I should have mentioned that I've actually got some parsley, chives, and thyme from out of my garden there. They're always better fresh. So I'm gonna add that to my mix as well. But yep, I'm gonna take the flour, my paprika, celery, garlic, salt, onion, salt, all that stuff. I'm gonna add that with all the chives and that. Chuck them in this bowl to coat that chicken. Hold up. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna take that the chicken that I've had in this egg wash and I'm gonna add it to that flour mix, fams. That's even got my green chives and thyme from out of the garden in there. With that flour, I'm just gonna coat it in there. So I'm gonna add it in. Get rid of the excess, let it drip off and then chuck it in there. We're gonna coat it in that flour, fams. East. Yeah, so now we've got those coated, fams. Those are coated really well in that seasoning and flour. They came out really nice. That's our chicken. Just mixed together and left to sit there for a few minutes. Now we're going to fry those. I got a hot pan. I'm about to hit that with some pure olive oil. Always tastes better. I'm about to hit that pan with a bit of olive oil. And we're just going to fry those until we get a bit of colour on them. But we're going to use a pretty high heat, fam, so check it out. That pan's actually pretty hot. So I've got my olive oil in there. I'm going to add my chicken. Notice it's going to start to sizzle straight away. That's how you want it with steak too. You want a hot pan. That flour and seasoning is going to sticking to it because of the egg. Don't be too fussy. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's all going in our pan. That's it. Frying them now, fams. True whānau, so that's our chicken after it's been fried. She's nice and golden, nice and cooked with that seasoning and flour on there. I'm going to keep the pan on hot. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to the mix. Then I'm going to add those other things I had. The garlic, the onion, and the butter, fams. I'm going to add that to my hot pan. And that even adds some parsley from the garden in that little mix there. So that's all going in there, and I'm just going to cook this down. So that's my onions after they've been sweated down, and they're soft now, fams, the onions and garlic. I'm going to add a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce. You know, maybe a couple of tablespoons. That's to taste, depends how hard you want it to taste. And I'm just going to mix that in a tad. You can add more butter if this has gone too sweet for you or too tangy. Yep. And that's it. Well, she's all mixed in and hot now. I'm going to actually drizzle a bit of that over the chicken. I'm just going to drizzle that over the flavour of that. Ooh. Over the top of my chicken. It's got all the flavours going in there, fams. There you go. Then I've already prepared my plate. Got my eggs, my Oh man, snow pea shoots, I think they were, spinach, tomatoes, eggs, cucumber, tomato, and I'm just gonna add my chicken to the top of that. There you go. Uncle A.Zee'S fried chicken salad. Nice and easy, east side salute. Shout outs to the bro Charles Luton here at Unique Reason Creations for the Mickey platter. East side up, whānau, get it in you. Easy as recipe.